we are going to study pronouns in English. Pronoun ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये सर्वनाम या शब्दाने ओळखतो. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of a noun to avoid its repetition. Here are 5 examples. Kunal is my best friend. Kunal lives in Pune. Kunal's father is in the army. Kunal's birthday is in November. I will give Kunal a watch on Kunal's birthday. Here in these sentences, you see that the noun Kunal is repeated. Friends, can we avoid the repetition of the noun Kunal? Yes, we can avoid the repetition of the noun Kunal. So, what can we do? Instead of the noun Kunal, we can use pronouns he and its form his, him in the sentences. For example, Kunal is my best friend. This is okay. Kunal lives in Pune. Here we can avoid the repetition of Kunal, and instead of Kunal we can use the noun form of the pronoun, that is he. He lives in Pune. Next sentence, Kunal's father is in the army. Here possessive case of the noun Kunal is used. So possessive form of he, that is his, we can use here in this sentence and write his father is in the army. Next sentence, Kunal's birthday is in November. Here also possessive case of he, that is his, we can use and write the sentence his birthday is in November. Last sentence, I will give Kunal a watch on Kunal's birthday. I will give a watch to whom? To Kunal. Here Kunal is not the subject of the sentence, it is object of the sentence. So objective case of he, that is him, we have to use and write the sentence I will give him a watch on, this is possessive case, so here we have to use his. So the complete sentence will be I will give him a watch on his birthday. So the 5 sentences will be Kunal is my best friend. He lives in Pune. His father is in the army. His birthday is in November. I will give him a watch on his birthday. So by using a pronoun, we can avoid repetition of nouns in sentences. Types of pronouns. There are 7 major types of pronouns: personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Let us discuss first personal pronouns. For example, he, she, I, you, me, his. Personal pronouns associate with persons. Personal pronounsचा संबंध व्यक्तींशी येतो. Next, reflexive pronouns. Myself, ourself, itself. Reflexive pronouns are used to denote the subject has performed action upon itself. For example, I hurt myself. Here myself denotes the subject has performed the action upon itself. Next example, the computer starts itself. Next, emphatic pronouns. Himself, myself, herself. Emphatic pronouns are used to add force to the noun. For example, he himself told so. Here himself adds force or emphasis. Next, demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point something. For example, this is my car, that is my house. Next, indefinite pronouns. All, each, any, everyone. Indefinite pronouns do not indicate a particular person or thing. For example, all are happy. Everyone loves chocolates. Next, relative pronouns. Who, which, that, whose. Relative pronouns relate to a noun. For example, this is the boy who won the first prize. Here the relative pronoun who relates to the noun boy. Next example, this is the watch which was lost. Here which relates to the noun watch. Last, interrogative pronouns. What, who, which, whose, whom. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, who is he? He is my friend. What is your father? My father is a teacher. Interrogative pronouns who and what are used here to ask questions. Let us discuss about personal pronouns in detail. Here is the list of all personal pronouns in English. There are three persons in English: first person, second person, and third person. First person singular pronoun in English is I. First person plural pronoun is we. Second person singular pronoun is you. Second person plural pronoun is you. Third person singular pronouns are he, she, it. Here he is a masculine pronoun, she is a feminine pronoun, while it is an impersonal pronoun. The pronoun it is used for things, animals, or babies. When we do not want to discuss the gender of the baby, we can use impersonal pronoun it with babies. Third person plural pronoun is they. Note that the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, and they are used as subject in sentences. So all these pronouns are in subjective case. While these pronouns me, us, you, him, them are used as object in sentences, and we say these pronouns are in objective case. The pronouns my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, he, his, her, its, their, theirs. These pronouns are used to show possession in sentences. So all these pronouns are in possessive case. Here are four sentences. I have a house. Here I is the subject of the sentence. A house belongs to me. Here me is the object of the sentence. This is my house. Here my denotes possession. If you do not want to follow noun after possessive case, you can write this sentence: this house is mine, and use another possessive case, that is mine. I have a house. Likewise, we can say we have a house. A house belongs to us. This is our house. This house is ours. You have a house. A house belongs to you. This is your house. This house is yours. Regarding he, she, it, we have to use has in the sentence. He has a house. A house belongs to him. This is his house. This house is his. She has a house. A house belongs to her. This is her house. This house is hers. It has a house. A house belongs to it. This is its house. This house is its. Last, use they in these sentences and say they have a house. A house belongs to them. This is their house. This house is theirs. That is all about personal pronoun in this video. Thank you.